How to cook Shish Kebab. Ingredients: 2½ teaspoons garlic powder, 1½ teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1½ teaspoon ground green cardamom, 1 teaspoon allspice, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt, freshly ground black pepper more for later, 3 pounds top sirloin steak or beef tenderloin fillet cut into 1½ inch cubes, 1 large red onion cut into pieces roughly the width of the meat, 2 green bell peppers cut into pieces roughly the width of the meat, 2 red bell or orange bell peppers. For the marinade: 1 large red onion thinly sliced, 2 lemons juice of, 1 cup extra virgin olive oil. I used private reserve Greek extra virgin olive oil. 1 cup dry red wine. Instructions: prepare up to 20 skewers. If using bamboo or wooden skewers, be sure to soak them in water for at least 1 hour before use. Mix the spices. In a bowl, mix together the spices to make a spice rub for the cube meat. Season the meat cubes with the spices and combine well so that the meat is evenly covered. Seasoned meat cubes. Prepare the marinade and add the seasoned meat cubes. In a large and deep dish, combine the marinade ingredients of red onions, lemon juice, olive oil and red wine. Add the seasoned meat to the marinade, and work the meat into the marinade well with your hands. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, preferably 2 to 4 hours or overnight depending on the kind of meat you are using. Meat cubes added to the marinade. Remove the meat from the fridge 1 hour before grilling. Lightly oil the grates of a gas grill and heat for 10 minutes on high. Thread the meat and vegetables on skewers. Thread the meat, onions, green peppers and red peppers onto the prepared skewers, alternating until you run out of meat, about 4 pieces of meat per skewer with the vegetables nestled in between as you see in the photos. Season with more freshly ground black pepper. Do not discard the marinade yet. Uncooked beef kebabs on a tray ready for grilling. Grill. Place the shish kebabs on the grill. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how hot your grill is and how well cooked you like your meat, turning occasionally. While the kebabs are grilling, paint the meat with some of the marinade a couple of times as you turn the skewers around. Kebabs on the grill. Rest before serving. Remove from the heat and transfer to a serving platter. Allow 5 minutes for the kebabs to rest before serving.